Today, your guardian angels are on high alert, driven by an urgency that can no longer wait. They know you need to hear this message now because there is someone who can no longer hide what they feel for you. The universe conspired, and a divine sign was sent so that this person, who thinks about you so much, would finally make a decision. A secret guarded with such intensity that it can barely be contained is about to be revealed. Get ready, because what is coming could change everything in your life. Imagine then the scenario of a love that arrives like that first snowfall of the year, covering everything around you with a pure, almost magical touch of renewal. The world seems to become softer, enveloped in a white blanket that hides all imperfections and brings a unique sense of comfort and beauty. In that moment, you realize that life surprises you, as if there were a greater plan, a silent and precise movement of the pieces of destiny, orchestrated by something that transcends us. There are moments when we feel a subtle presence, a voice that whispers to our heart about encounters that change everything. And maybe now, you are in the midst of one of those moments. It could be that unexpected instant where two glances meet by chance, but soon recognize each other, as if they already knew they were destined to meet. There is a synchronicity that cannot be explained with words, a feeling that something is happening the right way, at the right time. This love that arrives is like a dance that starts slowly, without you noticing. Step by step, your paths intertwine, come closer, and you feel that something is changing inside you. It's destiny playing at bringing together two souls who, no matter how different they are, have a deep connection, a bond that goes beyond time and space. You feel that it is something special, as if your angels were there, guiding you, protecting you, showing you that true love, the one that comes to transform, is about to happen. And you feel this presence, this greater force that works in your favor, that designs the perfect setting for everything to fall into place. Because deep down, there are no accidents, but rather meetings destined to teach us, heal us, love us. Do you know that feeling that everything in life, every choice, every step, every turn in the road, was leading you to a special person? It's not just a coincidence. The universe works in mysterious ways, and those moments of connection, which make the heart beat faster, are nothing less than destiny's orchestra playing the melody of your love story. It may even seem that everything is happening by chance, but the truth is that deep down in the invisible, your angels are carefully working on your destiny with this person who is waiting to meet you. The stars align, the winds blow in the right direction, and every decision you've made so far, even those that seem small or insignificant, were gently touched by the hand of your guardian angels, guiding you to this unique moment. This special encounter is not just a mere accident, it is the miracle of life, it is the universe, or rather God, conspiring for you to meet. Your angels watch, attentive and caring, every step you take toward that special person. They whisper subtle messages through coincidences that, to the unobservant eye, seem like simple happenstances, but to you, are true signs from the universe. Each little synchronicity is like a small spark of truth, revealing secrets along your path, as if destiny were giving hints about what's to come. And there's something magical about all of this, as if they know that with each movement, the threads of your destiny intertwine, forming a tapestry full of incredible possibilities and promises that make you feel a flutter in your stomach. This feeling that invades you, this sense of anticipation and hope, is the invitation to dive headfirst into your own story, unique, singular, and profoundly yours. Your angels smile because they know that this path, although not always easy, is necessary. This path will lead you to a love that will not only be deep, but will also bring about a transformation you can't even imagine. It's a love that will change everything, including you, in a way that will be beautiful to experience. So, take a deep breath. Allow their presence to envelop you, like a silent hug that calms and encourages you. Let this comfort guide you as you move forward, step by step, toward a future that appears before your eyes like a horizon full of vibrant colors. A new chapter is emerging in your life, one that makes your heart beat faster, that brings that delightful flutter in your stomach, as if the universe is conspiring to present you with something you have always waited for. A love story that reveals itself slowly, that arrives gently, but has the power to transform everything around you, like a ray of sunshine piercing through the clouds, bringing warmth, light, and a new energy to each of your days. And when the two of you finally meet, it will be a moment that stops time. It will be like the first flower that blooms in spring, carrying a subtle yet powerful beauty that captivates the eye and heart of those who pass by. A flower that doesn't blossom suddenly but gradually reveals its color and fragrance, showing how worth it is to wait for what is true. Every detail of this encounter will have its charm, each look, each smile, each gentle touch. The patience you have cultivated until now, the silent care with which life has woven your paths, it will all make sense. It will be as if every moment, every choice, every step up to this point has been a preparation for this meeting. And the passion of that person who enters your life? Ah, that passion is like a flame that burns constantly, staying alive even on the coldest days, ready to warm, illuminate, and transform everything it touches. It is a flame of expectation, of hope, of someone who believes that love is more than just a passing feeling, but a force that truly unites and makes us grow. This person sees you with an intensity that is almost palpable. Every morning, they feel overwhelmed by an avalanche of emotions that cannot be described with ordinary words. With every thought, every gaze lost on the horizon, this person realizes that what they feel for you goes beyond mere attraction, beyond a fleeting passion. It is something stronger, deeper, that makes the heart beat a little faster and the air momentarily scarce. That special person, who has already walked so many paths in search of something they were not quite sure what it was, now understands that they were always following the gentle glow of a hope that hid between the lines of longing. With each step taken, they felt guided by a light that seemed distant but was actually the reflection of the dreams you share, even without realizing it. And now, every time they think of you, the determination grows like a flame that never goes out, like a force that pulls you to a meeting point that already seems drawn, written in the stars. This someone feels that with every beat of their heart, an invisible connection strengthens, a bond that cannot be undone, no matter how much time passes and distances are great. There is a silent promise, a certainty that does not need to be said out loud, because it is already etched in every gesture, in every thought, in every sigh that escapes in the silence of the night. It is as if the universe has already decided that you belong to each other, that there is a future where your paths finally cross, where hands meet, eyes meet, and together you begin to write a new story. And maybe you do not even know it, but this person believes in a love that surpasses any obstacle, that goes beyond any difficulty. They feel that somehow you are already connected, as if your souls had already danced together in some other place, in some other time. This person sees in you more than just someone to love. You are the center of a universe that this special person always dreamed of sharing. Each gesture, each word, carries the depth of the feeling this person holds for you. It is as if every action is a silent but powerful declaration of how much you are important, how much you deserve to be loved, cared for, and celebrated. Imagine a love that is not content with just being present, but that earnestly desires to bring light and color to your life. It is a love that seeks to fill you with happiness, a love that makes you feel alive and special in every small detail of daily life. It is not a fleeting or superficial feeling. It is something built with sincerity, with a deep desire for you to feel truly valued. This special someone dreams of the moment when your eyes will meet, and in that encounter, there will be more than just a simple glance. There will be a mutual recognition of everything that has been imagined and desired for so long. That look, full of tenderness and acceptance, will be the beginning of a new story, a story where each chapter is written with love, complicity, and above all with a certainty that you were made for each other. And this person not only imagines it, they believe with all their might that next to you is where they will find true happiness. They envision a future where you share laughs, overcome challenges, and build a sanctuary of peace and passion. That love is a safe harbor, a place where you can always find comfort in moments of uncertainty. With each passing day, this person's desire to be with you grows, fueled by the idea that together, you can create something beautiful and lasting. And so the courage to move forward, to fight for this love, strengthens because they already know, deep in their heart, that only by your side will they find true completeness, the true meaning of loving and being loved. Now, imagine feeling this, day after day. Imagine being the reason for this whirlwind of emotions, being the reason someone wakes up every day with a smile on their face and new hope in their heart. Because deep down we all seek this, a love so powerful that it makes us believe in miracles, that makes us want to be better, that makes us want, more than anything, to live intensely alongside the one we love. Your angels are whispering in your ears that this journey with someone so passionate will be a profound and transformative discovery. It's not just about the heat of passion, but also about the ability to feel and reciprocate love in a way you've never experienced before. True love is something that fills life with more vibrant colors, and every moment of joy becomes even more intense when shared with someone special. This person who nurtures a deep love for you is in a whirlwind of emotions, struggling to control the anxiety and excitement that comes with the hope of revealing their most intimate feelings. The anticipation grows within them, like a flame that refuses to be extinguished. They daydream about the moment when you will be together, where every look and every touch will be a genuine exchange of affection. This person's heart is already pulsing with love for you, and the possibility of being by your side is something that makes them smile unintentionally. They feel an immediate and profound connection, attracted by your sweetness and the purity you emanate. Their love is like a river that overflows, just waiting for the right moment to flood your life with care and happiness. They know that being with you will be a unique experience, something that will make every second worthwhile. This love is not just a simple passing passion. It is something that touches the soul and makes everything around seem more alive and meaningful. There is an urgency in this feeling, an almost desperate need to share life, dreams, and deepest secrets with you. And at the same time, there is a tenderness that surrounds this desire, a willingness to care for and protect what you have, to cultivate this love with all the care in the world. Your guardian angels are guiding you toward an incredible moment where true love will flourish with strength and speed. This is the kind of love you've always dreamed of, a genuine, sincere love that will inspire you to grow and transform. Every step you take, every decision you make, is part of a larger plan, carefully crafted to bring you closer to someone special. And it's not just any meeting, it's the one that will transform your life, bringing out all your deepest dreams, those that you keep deep in your heart. You're being guided on a unique journey, where every event, no matter how small it may seem, is like a piece of a celestial puzzle fitting into the right place. Your angels are taking care of everything with care, creating situations and coincidences that will bring you closer to this love you long for. And there is no reason for haste or anxiety, because everything is progressing as it should, at the perfect time, with divine precision. What awaits you ahead is a life filled with shared adventures, moments that will hold enormous value because each one will be imbued with meaning. Together, you will live a story full of miracles, the kind that warm the soul and make the heart beat faster. Prepare yourself for an intense and exciting journey, where love will be the guiding thread of each step, each smile, and each new discovery. You can feel deep within your being that something big is on the way, something that goes beyond the ordinary, the predictable. It's as if the universe is conspiring to bring you what you desire most, that love that goes beyond words, that touches the essence of your soul and makes you feel fully alive. So trust the process, the signs, the paths that open before you. Be open to what the universe is preparing because it is something truly extraordinary. From now on, every step you take will bring you closer to the love you deserve, the love that will make you feel complete. And when that moment arrives, you will know without a shadow of a doubt that everything was worth it, that every obstacle, every weight, had a greater purpose. And you will be ready to live this new phase of your life, full of happiness and fulfillment. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your decision is. Type, "This is true love" to claim this message and the blessings contained within it for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now and stay tuned for the important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.